Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing another Thrift With Me vlog because you guys seem to really enjoy my last one. Also, this week I'm filming a weekly vlog, so be sure to keep an eye out for that. Today I'm going to a Goodwill outlet and I've never been to one before, so this should be interesting. Let's go! Out of the Goodwill outlet. As you can see, I filmed only a few clips in there, and I couldn't obviously try anything on because there's no dressing rooms in the outlet, but I did get quite a few things. I spent a total of $8.34, and sorry, you get a nice view of my wheel. The first thing I got is this blue bandana. I really want to try to style bandanas this season, you know. I think it's so cute, so I got this one. I got this Nike white shirt. I don't know, it seems like in pretty good condition. There's like a little something right there. I don't know if that'll come out or not, but yeah, it's just this Nike shirt, cute, tucked into jeans, or you know, to actually work out in. I got this sweater. It's a turtleneck, classic. I literally probably have like 2 other shirts that look like this, but yeah, it's just this sweater, and I know it's really the wrong season to buy sweaters, but that was like most of their stuff in there. And then I got this pink sweater. It's like a mock neck. It's kind of a turtleneck, but a little more mocky. And it's just this pink one, and it's like, it's just pink and white speckled, like salt and pepper kind of. And yes. And then I got this, and I'm really hoping it's a dress, and I'm really hoping it fits. It's originally from Forever 21, so it's like in my size, but it's just this like chambray dress, I think. See, like when I was holding it up to myself, it hit like mid to lower thigh, hopefully. I think it's a dress. This would just be a really long shirt if it was, but yeah, and it has a zipper in the back. And then I got this shirt. It is another Nike shirt. I think I might cut this, but I'm not sure. Wow, it is really blue on camera. It's not quite that dark blue in person, but really simple. Yeah, you can kind of see there's a little something right there, but I think that's like foundation or something. I don't know, hopefully it'll come out. And then I got this polo golf shirt, or like it's Polo Golf brand or whatever, and then it's just this like mock turtleneck. It's red. It's really oversized, but I kind of love it. And then I got this, which is not going to be everyone's style. It's barely my style, but I was holding it up to myself and I was like, oh my god, this would be so cute with jeans and Vans. Like, I don't know, it's just like an aesthetic, you know? So it's this super thick embroidered sweater. I don't know, it's we'll see how I style this one, or if I even can like pull off this look, but I just think it could be so cute, like a little photo shoot with that. Yes please. That is everything I got for only $8. That's pretty good. Like, yeah, I'm not complaining. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this little follow me around. It's probably really short, I'm sorry, but I hope you guys enjoy, and keep a lookout for my week in my life spring break edition, even though I'm just at home, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.